Hello friends, you are watching my channel Mix Media. Now we are going to discuss the first pair of railway track. Its just definition is the track on a railway as known as the permanent way. Is the structure consisting of two parallel rail having specified distance in between them and fastened two sleepers which are embedded in the layer of ballast which is spread over formation. It enables trains to move by providing a dependable surface for their wheels to roll upon. It should give comfortable and safe ride at maximum permissible speed with minimum cost. The special thing about the track is that rails, sleepers, fittings and fastenings ballast formation. And the function of rail is that to offer hard and unileading surface to the rolling grilled wheel on it, to act as beam to transmit the wheel's load to the sleepers, to steer the wheels in the desired direction. The main function of slipper is holding rails to correct gauge and alignment, frame and even support to rails, transforming to load mainly from rails to wider area of ballast, elastic medium between rail and ballast, providing longitudinal and lateral stability. The next main thing is the fitting. Different type of fittings of wooden and PSC sleepers, such as ERC, MCI insert, rubber pad and liner. Next comes the ballast. Ballast is the select cast granular material placed as the top layer of the substructure in which the sleeper are embedded. And the main function of ballast is short, resist vertical, lateral and longitudinal force, provide resilience and observe energy, reduce formation pressures, facilitate track geometry correction, facilitate track drainage, etc. Now I am coming with gauge. Clear minimum distance between the running phase of the two rail measured 13 to 14 below rail top, and broad gauge is profitable factor for railways because it balanced economic growth, better transforming infrastructure, better loading gauge, improved utilization of track and faster movement. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for next videos.